Hello everyone, and this video is about device drivers and its importance by Aayan Mustafa. So, what is a device driver? A device driver is a software program. It enables the operating system to communicate with the hardware, and without it, the hardware just simply cannot work properly. So, the examples of device hardware include a printer device, a printer driver which helps the PC print, a graphic cards driver which allows smooth videos and games, and a network interference card driver which enables internet access for the PC. Now, what happens if a driver is missing or gets corrupted? The hardware cannot just work. The system may give errors or show unknown device, and in the case of a network driver, there will be no internet or LAN access. So, if a network card driver gets corrupted, there will be no internet browsing, there will be no online communication, and there will be no access to internet resources. So, anything related to the internet that just cannot happen. Like the PC, it's just isolated from the network. No internet connection at all. So, now we are going to look at what is virtualization. Virtualization is the process of creating a virtual version of a resource, like a server, storage, or network, on that multiple systems can run on a single physical machine. Like, for example, running Windows and Linux on the same laptop, whereas these are two different operating systems. Now, we are going to look at the advantages of virtualization for business IT. This is a cost-saving method. Because fewer physical servers are needed and which reduces the hardware costs, flexibility and scalability, easy to add or remove virtual machines as needed, and there is a disaster recovery and backup, quick snapshots and recovery options that improve reliability. And CPU virtualization support. Modern CPUs often include hardware virtualization support. This improves the performance of virtual machines by letting the CPUs handle the virtualization task directly. Now, if we look at the my system support, so according to Task Manager, my virtualization is enabled. This means I can run virtual machines more efficiently. So if we look at the summary, virtualization, it is a one physical machine with multiple virtual systems. Businesses benefit from cost saving, scalability, and backup recovery. And my CPU does support hardware virtualization. And if we look about the network interference card, network interference card is, or our driver is, something that just helps the different that is a software which enables the hardware to work. Without these drivers, the hardware can it simply does not work. And in case of the network interference card driver, it is the card which connects the PC to the internet. And in case that card gets missing or corrupted, then the PC is just isolated from the network completely. So, this was all by Aayan Mustafa. Thanks for watching.